your PT journey has started. By the time you're watching my video, I'm guessing you guys have watched plenty of videos online on how to clear your PT exam, isn't it? But do you know that just by expertising in 5 to 6 task types, you can actually crack the real PT exam? My name is Rubal and I am one of the expert coaches at ptmocktest.com and personal scorer of 86 bands in real PT exam. I have trained plenty of students who scored 7, 8 or even 9 band in first attempt only. So without wasting any more time, let me tell you about all those most important task types. There are altogether 6 task types which I'm going to tell you that is going to help you to boost your PT score. First one, first task, we call it read aloud. In read aloud, you are going to get 30 to 40 seconds of preparation time. But make sure you utilize your time really well. In your preparation time, go through each and every word from the text. After that, your preparation time is over, then you are going to hear a beep tone. Then the recording icon will appear on the screen. Once your recording icon will there, your microphone is open, make sure you start speaking your answer or you start speaking your text which you are seeing it on the screen. Once your recording time is over, then make sure you press the next button. Don't wait for whole 40 seconds to complete it down. After that, next most important task is your repeat sentences. In repeat sentences as well, you are going to get 3 seconds of countdown. After that 3 seconds of countdown, again recording icon will appear on the screen and you have to repeat the same content as you have heard in the audio. As you are listening to an audio, so the marks distribution for this task type will be in your listening and in your speaking module. After that, from your writing module, summarize written text, also known as SW2, is also very much important because in summarize written text, you are going to get a passage. After reading to the whole passage, you have to write the summary in one sentence only by using pronouns and connectors. But make sure your first letter should be capital and put full stop in the end. If you keep on writing after full stop, you will not be awarded any marks. After that, you are going to get your next task type, which is very important, are from your reading module. Those are your filling the blanks. Filling the blanks are of 2 types in the reading part. First one called reading filling the blanks, also known as drag and drop. For that you are getting 4 to 5 questions, 1 mark each. Next one is your reading and writing filling the blanks. These ones also you are getting 5 to 6 questions. So these two filling the blanks from reading module going to help you to boost your reading score. Otherwise, what happen is your reading score will not be getting that much boost if we are not focusing on these filling the blanks. After that, there are 2 more major tasks which is going to help you to get your desired score in PT is from the listening module. First one is your summarized spoken text, also called SST. In summarized spoken text, you are going to hear a lecture for approximately 50 to 90 seconds. As you are listening to a lecture, after that you have to jot down those most important points. As we are sitting under examination conditions, lot of things are going on our mind, right? So if we are going to write down those most important points, it's easy for us to retrieve the information from the lecture and then we can write it down very beautiful summary in 50 to 70 words. For that, we are getting 10 minutes each. And don't worry about the notebook. You are going to get erasable notepad along with the 2 markers in your real PT exam. So utilize your things really well. So after that, the last and the super most important task is your write from dictation, also called WFD. Write from dictation is similar to repeat sentences. In this one, you are going to listen to an audio of the sentence, then you have to write it down into the box provided, and this is the task which carries maximum weightage in terms of marking, as you will be awarded with the marks per word from the correct audio, right, from the correct sentence. Let's say if there are 10 words in one sentence, your marks distribution will be out of 10. So if it's 15 words, again marks distribution will be out of 15 marks. So that task also carry maximum weightage in terms of marking, and marking distribution for these task type will be in your listening and writing score. So these are your most important tasks. Let me tell you one more time. First one is read aloud. Second one is your repeat sentences. Third one is your summarized written text. Fourth is your filling the blanks. Fifth one is your summarized spoken text. And the sixth one is your write from dictation. So these are your task types which is going to boost your full score in your PT real exam. Now let me help you out to provide you the main strategies. So I offering online personalized coaching for 22 days. I have tailored this 22 days course to help you all the students from all around the world so they can achieve their desired score and can settle down in their favorite destinations. What will be happening in those 22 days? Every day there will be 1 hour live session for 6 days a week. What happens in those 22 days is every day we are discussing one task types of your PT module. And in those task types, in those discussions, I will be providing you all the most important strategies, what are the do's, what are the don'ts of that particular task types. And then we are going to practice offline. Then later on, I am personally involving with my students to help them practice online. Yes, I am offering lots of online tests as well. The reason being I'm personally working with my students is that most of the students are from different background. One is from engineering background, one is from IT background, and one is from medical. So everybody's skill level are different. So that's why I tailored those customized approaches for my students based on their skill levels. What else you will be getting? You are getting 120 plus test free of course if you join this course. In these ones, I am giving 7 scored mock tests that is pretty much similar to your real exam. And you are also getting your score report card within 18 to 24 hours after giving the exam. This one is totally computer generated score report card, and also you are getting feedback form for these ones. Apart from it, I am also providing 32 scored section wise test in which you are getting 8 tests of speaking, 8 for reading, 8 for listening, and 8 for writing. Also, I am providing the personal feedback about this test based on your performance in these tests. Apart from it, I am also offering 40 task type test in which you are also getting expert answers for this. We will be having a lot of discussions into the sessions for regarding any of these task types. Last but not the least, I am also providing 40 prediction tests for practicing the latest question asked in the Pearson exam. So at least everybody will be aware about the current questions that's been circulating in the market. What else I am providing? Yes, I am giving you recording of live sessions free of cost. You heard it right. Whatever sessions we are going to have, they will get recorded. And after that, if students want to watch those videos, they can have access anytime, anywhere. What other main thing I'm giving you? That's the most important thing is your personal feedback on each test. Section wise test, which I have told earlier. I am checking those tests so that I will be involving, I will be assessing my students that where they are lacking, what are their strengths, what are their weaknesses. So based on their performance, I am going to give them the personal feedback. Now, if you are someone who is looking to clear their PT exam, this course is definitely for you. And if you want to book your slots, make sure this is the right time. Just don't forget to click the button and book your slots straight away.